Hopefully tomorrow my closet will look a lot different. It's empty now. I am going to get it done. Closet by design. I hope you don't disappoint me. So this is what I forgot to record because I took out all the clothes that was hanging, and I had up and down, and I have this little section here where I put my hat and extra body washes. So this is gonna stay like this. This is my wig. So you see how tall this is? It was kind of hard to get my clothes, you see? That was the problem that was bothering me, and I feel like up here, let me back up. You see up there? It's a lot of wasted space. It was a standard closet. I fixed it like this and I was happy with it for a little bit. Of course, I had more hanging place, but then I feel like this space back there is wasted. You see, you could see it better here. This is the bar, like up there. It's definitely up there. It's a wasted space. So it's supposed to be the same way. I'm gonna have a hanging place there, some drawer, a couple of drawers supposed to go here, and more hanging place space. And he said some space to put my shoes on the bottom, and I'll be able to fit some. It's gonna be a space where I could put stuff on top. So hopefully I like it. The closet, the floor is brand new. It was installed last month. I think they're gonna stick out the baseboard tomorrow. Yeah, I'm used to a small closet. In a way, it keeps me not having too much junk, and I have my shoe rack right outside. That's not gonna go anywhere. Um, this is one of the items that's used to be in there, so I'm gonna find another place to put this. Let me show you where I have I took out of the closet. Hold on, I have more. This is the other stuff I had in there. My shoes, my bags, and more clothes. Okay, the moment we have been waiting for. Today is June 17th, 2022. My closet is done. Completely done. It was, I don't think the man took 3 hours. He was really fast and he worked by himself. When he came, I was like, "You by yourself?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay, all right now." Here is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with this closet. Ta-da! This is my closet. I have 3 drawers. Hanging space up there. Hanging space. This was my concern because I was wasting space. Now I have space to put my bags. And what you see is what I have, except for one more. I don't need too much. I try to declutter as much as I can, and I still need to declutter, especially some of this stuff here. But for now, I have more space down here. I have my shoes. Some of the shoes that I have, not much at all. I got rid of a lot of shoes, throw away some. And yeah, over here it's kind of dark. I have more shoes and a couple more back here. It's kind of dark. Yeah, the drawers. Yeah, I still have more clothes to put. It's one of those that soft clothes. It's supposed to be soft clothes, but yeah, there you go. And this, like I was saying, this stayed with my extra stuff. I'm absolutely in love. And I have some bags hanging in here. Just a few hanging. This was from the shower. This was not even part of it. It fell from my kid's shower, and I'm like, "Can you just put it in the middle here for me?" And he did. The kid's bathroom that was hanging there, towel. But it kept falling. So I'm like, okay, Let me put it here. And it looks really nice here. It looks like it was part of the closet. So, yeah. The only thing I'm like, okay, that space doesn't make sense. But then again, it makes sense because the clothes need somewhere to hang. Okay? So I have my hanging, my pants and skirts, and my tops. I got rid of like a lot of stuff, and I still need to go through stuff because some of these things, they don't fit me anymore, to be honest. And I'm hoping when I lose weight then I could put them back. But this is the closet. I have the mirror. I had my shoes hanging here. I took it off. It was hiding my mirror, so I'm gonna put my mirror to good use. I am absolutely in love. I absolutely love it. I love it. Now it looks like a closet. Honestly, it looks much more like a closet now. It's still small, but it's organized. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Let me know what you think.